Okay, so we have a question here under matrices. So the question reads, given that the determinant of matrix Q is, we have the elements 2b minus 1 and negative 3b, and we have negative 5 and 4. That's saying the determinant of that matrix is 15. Find the value of b. How do we find the value of b? So to find the value of b, we use the method of determinant. So we are going to say the determinant here is found by multiplying the major diagonal minus the minor diagonal. So you have the major diagonal minus the minor diagonal. So in this case, our major diagonal, we are going to say 2b minus 1 multiplied by negative 5 minus our minor diagonal will be negative 3b multiplied by 4. This should give us what? 15. This should give us 15. Then therefore we are going to say this will give us negative 10b plus 5 minus negative 4b will be equal to 15. So this will give us this will have negative 10 b. Then this time this gives us positive. We are going to say plus 12b is equal to 15. Take this on the other side, we say minus 5. So this will give us negative so this will give us 2b will be equal to 10. Therefore this will divide by 2, which means our b is 5. Our b is 5. Okay. Then question 2, they are saying the inverse of what matrix Q? Inverse of matrix Q. So our inverse there will be, we are going to say, so first let us come up with our matrix Q. So our matrix Q, let's say we had what? 2b minus 4 minus 1 and 4 there, then negative 3b, then you have negative what? 5 there. So let us come up with our matrix Q there, which will be, our matrix Q will be, where there is b there we put 5. So to be, our final answer there will be 10, which will give us 9 there. Down there will give us, when we put a 5 there, will give us negative 15. Then there we have a 4, then there you have negative 5. So this is our matrix. So Q inverse is equal to 1 over the determinant of Q multiplied by the adjoint of what? Q. So now what does it mean when we say adjoint, or what does it mean when we say determinant? Now the determinant in this case we have been given as what? According to the question, determinant was 15 for the matrix. Okay, so we're going to say 1 over 15. Now what is the adjoint? So the adjoint here, it simply means that from this matrix that we made here, the major diagonal, the elements in the major diagonal, they have to swap. So this one will come here, this one will go there. Then the elements in the minor diagonal, you just introduce what? The sign. So the sign changes. In short, we're saying the signs here change. Here the numbers in the elements swap. So here we're going to have negative 5. Then you have a 9 there down. Then here you're going to have positive 15 because the sign has to change. Then you have negative 4. Okay, so now you can just multiply this and everything in here to get your answer, or you can leave your answer like that. Now if I was to expand this one, I'm going to say this time this will give me negative 5 over 15, and this time that will give me negative 4 over 15, then the other one will be 15 over 15, then 9 over 15. Okay, so this we can come up with our final answer there. Now we are going to have this, and this will give us negative 1 over 3. Then there we will have the same negative 4 over 15, because that one can't be simplified. Here we are going to have a 1, and there can be simplified, which will have 3 over 5 as our inverse. Okay, so I urge you to subscribe to the channel for more video and updates.